Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to get enrolled in Commonwealth Bank online banking. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for Commonwealth Bank. Click on this first website over here, and Commonwealth Bank is also called Commbank. Now on the top right corner, we can see this option called login. So let's tap on this and choose the type of login you want. Let's go for NetBank login. Now we can see this option for register for NetBank now. So let's tap on this. Now we need to enter our card number that we have from our bank and choose the cardholder type and enter your card PIN. After that, we need to enter our security code here. Once you are done with all of these steps, we can simply click on next. After which, we need to enter our mobile number as well. And once we get the verification code in our mobile number or email address, we can finally create new username and password. After which, we'll finally get registered or enrolled in Commonbank online banking. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.